This video has been presented by Northport, Michigan Incorporated. And this guy too. He's a legend. You don't know this legend, but he's a legend. So, we're at Raven Hill right now, and about to make a video for you in regard to driving. He's going to have his drone. I'm going to use my DSLR. And we're going to just kind of mix it up, give you different views as well going on about this subject. So, it should be good, especially since we're in Northport, Michigan at Raven Hill right now. So, yay for that, because different scenery for once. I'm not in Traverse City or anything like that. As the title says, why is driving so hard when it's so simple? And see, that's what I don't understand about all of this concerning driving, is why people make it out to be this hard or super difficult, super technical thing. Because in reality, all it is putting on a seatbelt, looking around, putting it into reverse, park, drive, whatever, but you know, reverse to get out of whatever, and then drive to continue forward. Look around again, follow some simple directions, and press on the acceleration pedal. And then hit the brake button when you need to come to a stop or slowly start to brake. I mean, it's really not that hard. All you gotta do is follow the directions, follow the speed limit. Slow down, chill out when the weather is bad. It can't be any more easier than that. Like, I don't know any other way I can put this to y'all. Maybe I need to bring you into the classroom for a little bit. But, seriously, if we really get down to the rudimentary, elemental, absolute basic shit, that's all it is. Pay attention, follow the directions that are super simple. We're not talking technical crazy ass, oh you gotta go shift this in and turn this hard brake and none of that Vin Diesel shit. Steering wheel, acceleration, brake, follow direction. If it says turn right only, you turn right. You don't turn left. Driving isn't hard. Why are you gonna make it so hard? Actually, you know what? Time to go to the classroom. Welcome to my classroom. Take a seat. Take a seat anywhere. Hell, take a bench and sit. Because you're going to have a very easy lesson today in driving and just how simple it is. So, first things first, wear your seatbelt. Safety is very easy. Wear your seatbelt, pay attention to your surroundings. That's super easy to do. All it requires is some grabbing, pulling, and clicking in. Paying attention. That's all you have to do, is look around, check your mirrors. Look out your windows. Use your fucking eyes. It's not hard. Next up, speed limit. Yep. So there's supposed to be a speed limit, right? There's a sign that specifically is posted that states so-and-so amount of miles with the secret rule that you are allowed 5 miles over and you won't be pulled over unless a cop is just in the mood to pull someone over. But 9 times out of 10, 99% of the time, cops won't give a shit if you go 5 over. But the moment you go 6 over, that's when you are most likely to get in trouble. And that's when you are also unnecessarily speeding and makes you an unskilled driver, an incompetent driver. And due to not being able how to read the damn sign that says the speed limit, you are also considered illiterate. So on and so forth. So, and let's put this in together. You click in, you check your surroundings, you go the speed limit, if not 5 over. So let's move into the next one. There are posted signs and lights. Very, very simple directions. Red, stop. Yellow, slow down. Green, go. Left turn only. Right turn only. Yield. So on and so forth. These are super simple directions to follow. But people make it out to be so damn hard. What is wrong with you? If you can't follow, turn right, turn left, slow down, go, stop. A stop sign and the red light both mean the same thing, for fuck's sakes. Stop. Moving on. Weather and weather problems. So if it's raining, you're supposed to give more distance between each other when driving down the road. You're not supposed to drive all out. Whether it's rain or snow or whatever, you're supposed to calm your ass down that much more. Be that much more safe about it. That much more calm about it. Brake earlier. Keep more distance between yourself and the other drivers. Pay attention more, because they're more likely to fuck up. You know, that sort of thing. I mean, if you really want to get down to it, that's all there really is to that. You click your seatbelt in, you check your mirrors, you look out your windows, and you accelerate to the speed limit, if not 5 above. Follow simple directions like turn right, turn left, stop, slow down, and go. You know, just simple shit like that. So why is driving so hard? Huh? Why? Why, classroom? Yeah, why is it so hard to fucking drive when it's so fucking simple? If that's too hard for you, then I don't know what to tell you. You suck at driving. You shouldn't even have a driver's license.